certain drug dog searches might soon become a thing of the past. This is according to a Supreme Court ruling today that police are no longer going to be able to bring drug-sniffing dogs onto a suspect's property to look for evidence without having obtained a warrant first. This is a win for civil rights groups, but on what grounds, Zach, did the justices rule this practice unconstitutional?
Well, it's basically inviting something into your house to search your house. If you were a police officer, you can't just show up and say, "Hey, can I cut open your couch cushions and see if you've got drugs in there?" This is a fairly standard, I think, constitutional interpretation of what constitutes a search and seizure. But there's a big problem with drug sniffing dogs that goes beyond the Constitution. Is that they're not actually very reliable. Dogs all the time will actually indicate positive if they think that their handler wants them to indicate positive, and indicate negative if they think their handler wants them to indicate negative. I've been a dog owner for years. This is actually something that's very, very hotly discussed in dog lover communities. So they're not even reliable beyond the constitutional issues. It's really, I think, a step in the right direction here to be pulling back on the sort of law enforcement power here that just lets someone show up at your door with a dog and say, you've got drugs, and without even a warrant.